Morning to everyone. In the last class, we already discussed about the nutrients in animals. In nutrients in animals, we also discussed about the what is by nutrients, what is by nutrient, and what is the functions of the digestive system, how the food enters to our body, what is the digestion, what is the parts of the digestion, what is the functions of the each part in the digestion, what is the salivary glands, what is the intestinal glands, what is meant by assimilation, what is meant by digestion. Also, we also discussed about the what is the functions of the rectum and what is the functions of the anus. In the today's class, we will discuss about the one new chapter, that is microorganisms. This one is the microorganism new chapter. We already seen the different varieties of plants and animals which can be seen with our naked eyes. Some organisms which cannot be seen on naked eyes are also present in our environment also. First, we can discuss about the what is meant by microorganisms. The organisms which cannot be seen our naked eyes, this is called as the microorganisms. What is mean microorganisms? The organisms which cannot be seen our naked eyes, it is called as the microorganisms. The organisms which cannot be seen our naked eyes, seen our naked eyes, is called microorganisms. And microorganisms also called as the microbes, and also we called as microbes. Also we called microbes. And take one example. When the bread is thrown out of the home or out of the house or home, when it is spoiled, we can observe the bread in the below part. We can observe the yellowish white color spots. It is called as the fungi. It is called as fungi. When the bread is thrown out of the home or out of the home or surroundings, we can observe the below part of the bread. We can see a yellowish white color spots are called as the fungi. And next, in the microorganisms, we divided as majorly 4 types that are microorganisms divided into divided into 4 types. First one, algae. Second one, protozoa. Third one, bacteria. Fourth one, fungi. The microorganisms majorly divided as 4 types. First one algae, second one protozoa, third one bacteria, fourth one fungi. And viruses are also microorganisms, but they are different from the microorganisms. Why? Because the viruses are, they will multiply in the host of the body. When they are out of the body, they are inactive. When they enter the host body, they multiply and they produce the new ones. And algae is example for algae, Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra. Example for the algae is Chlamydomonas and Spirogyra. Example for the protozoa, Amoeba and Paramecium. Example for the protozoa is Amoeba and Paramecium. Example for the bacteria, Lactobacillus. And Mycoplasma. Example for the fungi, example for the fungi, Penicillium and bread mold. And example for the viruses, example for the virus, HIV. What is the long form of this HIV? Human immunodeficiency virus. And hepatitis B, HIV and hepatitis B. And already we can see the example for the algae, protozoan, bacteria and fungi and virus. In the next class we will discuss about the where the microorganisms are living, what are the useful microorganisms, what are the harmful microorganisms. In next class we can see. Thank you.